Well, the fog has been somewhat of a hindrance throughout the day today, unfortunately. Make sure to drive with those low beams. That visibility has become a major factor on those roads. 36 degrees, humidity at 93%. So when you have those temperatures and those dew points close together and the humidity close to 100%, that's really going to allow for that fog to develop. And fog is just really a stratus cloud that's just near the ground. Now, temperatures, though, because of those winds coming out of the south, they're warming up. We're actually getting into those 40s in some areas. 40 degrees in Houghton, 38 in Ontonagon, 38 in Ironwood, 36 in Menominee. Heading over towards the east, we begin to see a bit more of those 40s beginning to flourish. 42 in Escanaba, 39 in Munising, 40 at the Sioux, and like I mentioned just a second ago, it's all about this wind direction out of the south that really allows that warm air to make its way over into the area. 10 miles per hour in Escanaba, 7 in Iron Mountain, 15 in Munising. So that warmth and that southerly flow will continue at least for the next 24 hours. So when it comes to what type of precip we'll have later on tonight, it will be in the form of rain because of the fact that A, temperatures are above freezing, but B, just that southerly wind will keep everything in the form of liquid. Now, the concerns will really begin to occur by tomorrow afternoon as those winds begin to shift direction out of the northwest associated with a cold front. That's going to eventually allow that rain to change over into snow. And then also winds will be picking up as well, especially along Lake Superior. We can see waves up to 14 feet. There's already a gale watch in effect for the eastern half of Lake Superior. Also, when it comes to snow accumulations by Wednesday night into Thursday morning, up to 3 inches of snow. Rainfall amounts at least up to ½ an inch of rain. And keep in mind, with temperatures falling throughout the nighttime hours, any rain that we do receive could also create a layer of ice. So really watch out for those slippery roads by late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, especially once those temperatures begin to descend below freezing. So for today, we've been dealing with a good amount of cloudiness and that fog, and that cloudiness is now beginning to take over the entire state as well. Detroit, you're starting to see a bit of sunshine for now and a bit of moonlight, but that's all going to disappear over the next couple of hours. Marquette, just relatively dry for now, but that rain will eventually get here before you know it. So make sure to just have that umbrella with you. For tomorrow, that cold front begins to slide through the area. That's when we begin to see those winds becoming more of a factor. Rain will pretty much be the dominant feature throughout lower Michigan, all the way down to parts of Arkansas and Tennessee. Now, in parts of the UP, especially with that snow, that's eventually going to change from snow associated with the front and the low pressure to eventually a lake effect snow. And that lake effect snow could stick around for the first part of the day on Thursday before it clears up, and we'll have a little bit of sunshine before we deal with another batch of rain on Friday. So yes, a little bit of a rough weather pattern we're starting to enter now for the second half of the work week. 34 degrees for tonight, rain with fog continuing to develop by the time we get towards sunrise. For tomorrow, winds out of the southwest early on, eventually out of the northwest by the afternoon. 40 degrees in Iron Mountain, 39 in Houghton. So mostly rain, but chance of a mix possible late in the afternoon. And then here's the extended outlook. Messy weather, unfortunately, for this upcoming weekend.